Hello, dear visitors. We are glad to see you in our online rating agency First. We provide daily and global online monitoring of the results of the competition for the past calendar year in team sports and martial arts. The monitoring actually gets a rating list of international championship. There is only one criterion of quality rating model: convergence of expected and actual results. In order to make you feel S4S, we are accurate in their assessments of a forecast result nearest meeting. In two sports where there is a play-off game, we give its forecast as well. Rating corresponds to the results for the past year. If today, for example, January 22nd, 2040, the ratings are calculated for all the games from January 22nd, 2030. Thus, in the calculation includes all the results of the current season and some of the results of the past. Football club NG last season had a budget of 200 million euros and claimed victory in European competition. This season has a budget of 50 million euros and could not win in the first round of the Championship of Russia. No one wins. Therefore, rating Football Club NG actual performance does not match any past or current team. However, this exception to the rule.